everyone, welcome back to Chem Corner, and today we are going to do question number 6 for AP Chemistry FRQ 2025. If you haven't watched the previous question yet, don't worry, the playlist for the full series is linked right here, so you can follow along from the beginning. Let's get started. Let's do question number 6. A scientist constructs galvanic cell as shown in the diagram. A cell operates zinc electrode increase in mass, okay, aluminum electrode decrease in mass, and the table is given. And the first part, write the half reaction for the oxidation that occurs at anode. So which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is reduction? That's the first problem. Okay, zinc or aluminum? How do you know that one? They were given a clue. Zinc electrode increase in mass. What does it mean? We know that zinc is zinc 2 plus and the other form is zinc solid, like zero oxidation state. So 2 plus to 0, that is happening here. Why? That's why because zinc electrode increase in mass. Okay, because zinc 0 is solid. And aluminum decrease in mass means aluminum, the most common oxidation state is Al3 plus and Al. So aluminum decrease in mass means solid is turning to aqueous form. Ionic forms are always aqueous. So here this is aqueous and in this case this is aqueous. So now you tell me which one is oxidation. Oxidation means oxidation number increasing reaction is called oxidation. So zinc 2 plus to 0 means reduction, right? And Al 0 to Al3 plus, that is oxidation, oxidation number increasing. So this is oxidation. So you can write the reaction like Al is turned to Al3 plus by the release of 3 electron. So basically you are flipping this reaction to this one, correct? Because that is undergoing oxidation. Okay, that's all. This reaction is reduction, so you can just flip it. Or you can imagine like what I said. Okay, then B, write the balanced net equation. So if this is Al, like oxidation part, then what is the reduction part? 3 electron. And see, reduction part means zinc 2 plus to zinc, right? Zinc 2 plus to zinc with a release with acceptance of 2 electron. Okay, then what's the balanced chemical reaction in redox reaction? Make the electrons same. So this have to multiply by 2, so this have to multiply by 3. So overall what is the reaction? Yes, you can write 2 aluminum gives 2 aluminum plus 3 zinc 2 plus gives 2 aluminum 3 plus 3 zinc. Electron will cancel out. So this is the total reaction. This is solid and this is aqueous, and this is solid. Okay, so that's the whole reaction. Then question number C. Initially each electrode has a mass of 50 gram. The cell is allowed to run for a period of time and it is then stopped. Which electrode mass changed the most? Okay, so justify your answer with a calculation. So yeah, this is the general like the balanced equation. Now let's look at the balanced chemical equation. From the equation you can tell it, just stoichiometry only, right? So see, electrode have to change, electrode mass have to change, which means solid. See the solid thing, aluminum, 2 aluminum is reacting, at that time 3 zinc is produced, 3 moles of zinc is produced, correct? So 2 moles of aluminum means aluminum molar mass is 27. So how much? 54 gram is changed. At that time 3 moles of zinc means what's the molar mass? 65.4 is the molar mass of zinc, which means 196 grams of zinc produced. Okay, for each 54 grams of aluminum reduced, like reduced means aluminum mass is decreased, at that time what happened? 196 grams of zinc produced. So definitely what is the change? Which one is more change? Zinc will more change. Okay, zinc will have the more change. Okay, so you can justify by doing this calculation, just stoichiometry only. Okay, right. And the D part, they were given reduction half reactions. Okay, standard zinc aluminum cell have a E0 value 0.90. Okay, scientists need a galvanic cell that produce a greater voltage. Scientists has access to chemical system in the table. if the scientist uses zinc half cell and one of the other option from the table. Okay, what is the maximum voltage that could be generated at standard condition? Okay, one is zinc. Then if you want to get a maximum voltage, what is E cell? E cell is always E cathode minus E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So we need a very high amount of cathode and very low amount of anode. So one value is fixed minus 0.76. So what it should be the other value. So you, for getting a high value E0 cell, you need a high difference in this value. So which one is very high, like far away from this minus 0.76? Okay, that is the thing. Which value is far away from this minus 0.76? So what is the value? Yes, 1.56. You can take 1.56 is far away, right? Among this one, 1.56 is the 50. Sorry, 50 is the highest difference. So you can take that is as, since that's higher value, you can consider like that is the cathode. So what is our new cathode? 0.1.50. Sorry, positive 1.50 minus, yes, minus 0.76. So we got 2.26 voltage. So it's very higher than the normal 0.90 aluminum zinc voltage. So that's the answer. Okay, that's all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. See you in another video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye.